Personality is not only very important in making new friends, but also in the job market finding a new job or the dating market find your partner, right? So in this episode, we will continue learning how to describe a person's personality in Chinese. In this specific case, we will learn how to say I am an easygoing person in Chinese, which is 我是一个很好相处的人。How to keep it in your mind easily? Here's my solution for you. Imagine you are in a very important job interview. You perform very well, and then the HR asks you one question. Please briefly describe what kind of person you are. And you can say, I am an easygoing person. And here, I am an easygoing person. In Chinese, we say 我是一个很好相处的人. The English name at bottom just help you to pronounce the Chinese character correctly, while the figure above it help you to memorize the pronunciation easily. From left to right, we say 我是一个很好相处的人. And 很好相处的, it means easygoing. Hope you enjoy it. Please feel free to leave a comment if you have. Besides, it's Mother's Day, and if some of you who watch this are mothers, I wish you a happy Mother's Day. Thank you.